pretty, really pretty earrings. Oh my gosh, these are pearls.
Those are pretty.
That is so cool.
What else do you have, Sophie? Wow. Wow. Oh, you're going to share that with me? Oh, you don't have to do it right now.
Mini bar.
Oh, that's so nice.
Look what I got. And then cool haircut.
I have some. Look what I got. Look what I got.
Did your ears have problems when you were flying?
Can you,
Hairbands. I need
Chris?
those.
What is
Mia,
this for?
Mia, my mom.
Mommy.
Mia, is that a tissue that you threw on the counter? That goes in the trash, honey, and you wash your hands, sweetie. What'd you get, babe?
Boy hair clips. These are really cool.
Mommy, I got something. Too heavy.
Let me see.
Then
Wow.
line up.
Wow.
Mia,
I have this one.
Mia, look at these.
I can have this one.
No, that's yours, honey.
No, Mia
Yeah.
can. I want Mia.
Mia's got her own stuff in her own stocking.
What all? I could see.
Your mommy.
What do you?
Pokemon cards. Awesome.
Ooh, Hello Kitty pen. Actually, these are. Yeah, they're double-sided markers.
What'd you get?
Roll it.
Ooh.
Oh,